Pri koncentraciji na podobo ali predmet je pomembno vedeti, da ne smemo poskušati te podobe ponovno ustvariti v svojem umu, temveč si jo preprosto prikličemo v spomin. Ogledali smo si jo, zato je njen vtis v našem umu. Če jo poskušamo ponovno ustvariti, bo to vir moten, se bo naš um znemiril, saj nam bo ta podoba sproti izginjala, ko jo bomo poskušali, naprimer, risati v svojih mislih. Preprosto se je ponovno spomnimo. To je veliko lažje, če smo že umirili svoje misli in si potem ta spomin preprosto prekličemo v svoj um.
As I mentioned about the necessity to change our usual patterns of thinking, this is achieved by applying meditation as often as possible within our days. You can have 5 or 10 minutes or 20 minutes according to your time, peacefully in the morning and peacefully in the evening, at home, sitting with the back straight and everything. But if you have 2 minutes here, 2 minutes there of free time during the day, and it's hard to think that we don't get several times 1 or 2 minutes, use that minute to remember. Remember your wish, your motivation to meditate. When you remember, you take a deep breath and you observe your mind. You are quiet, you are peace, you are peaceful, observing the mind. And for 1 minute here, 2 minutes there, you will experience peace. Not only it increases your capacity to meditate, but it also in some way recharges you. Because what is tiring us during the day is when we think too much. What is stress usually? It's not the way you move in your office or the fact even to have to run here or there. It's the way you think. It's the way you think too much. So if often during the day you can hold on your mind a little bit, experience peace. There is no doubt that stress, if ever you experience it, will diminish and eventually one day disappear. So it is important to do that many times throughout the day, even if it is just 1 minute every time.
Prej sem omenil, da je treba spremeniti naše stare vzorce razmišljanja. To lahko dosežemo tako, da meditiramo čim bolj pogosto čez dan. Seveda si lahko vzamemo 10 ali 20 minut zjutraj in zvečer doma, da se v miru usedemo z zravnanim hrbtom in meditiramo. Tudi če imamo čez dan nekaj minut časa, in kar ponavadi imamo vsak dan, večkrat vsak dan, lahko ta čas izkoristimo za to, da se spomnimo in meditiramo. Ko se spomnimo, globoko vdihnimo in opazujemo svoj um. Takrat bomo mirni, tihi in opazovali, medtem ko bomo opazovali svoj um. Zdaj, če si vzamemo že če si vzamemo minuto, tu in tam, bomo doživeli mir. To ne samo poveča našo sposobnost za meditacijo, temveč nam tudi napolni baterije, ker čez dan se utrudimo zato, ker preveč razmišljamo. Pod stresom nismo zato, ker imamo veliko dela v službi ali zato, ker moramo skakati sem in tja, temveč zato, ker preveč razmišljamo. Torej, če čez dan lahko malo umirimo svoj in izkusimo mir, bo naš stres brez dvoma izginil, oziroma se bo naš stres brez dvoma zmanjšal in nekega dne izginil. Pomembno je, da to storimo večkrat čez dan, pa čeprav samo za minuto.
When you do your morning meditation, try to set in your mind this wish to find several times during the day the opportunity to observe the mind. Try to set your mind that whenever some disturbed thoughts, disturbed emotion will arise during that day, it will trigger your attention, trigger your awareness. That way, when you are in a situation in which a disturbed emotion is on the edge to arise, you will be alerted of it. Then, you take a deep breath and you observe it. You observe the situation. Once you get used to it, this is something you can do anytime, even while within the situation or while within an event. Somebody is in front of you, shouting at you, yelling at you. There should be this little click which says, I don't want to be caught into this usual way of thinking, reactive way of thinking, like a ping pong. Somebody say bad things to you, you react in a bad way, and that person is more angry and you get angry and so on. No. You decided in the morning, I will change my mind. Whenever a disturbance arises in the day, become aware, take a deep breath, stop this chain of reaction, and instead hold on, observe.
Med jutranjo meditacijo poskušajte naravnati svoj ga sprogramirati, tako da boste čez dan našli več priložnosti za opazovanje svojega uma. Poskušajte sprogramirati svoj da vsakič, ko se čez dan pojavijo vznemirjena čustva, da bo to pritegnilo vašo pozornost, da se boste tega zavedali. In torej, ko se boste znašli v situaciji, v kateri se lahko pojavi vznemirjeno, moteno čustvo, da bo to pritegnilo vašo pozornost, da boste globoko vdihnili in situacijo opazovali. Ko se boste na to navadili, boste lahko to storili kadarkoli, ne glede na to, kaj se bo dogajalo. Primer, nekdo se dere na vas, vi pa preprosto preklopite, ker se nočete ujeti v ta reaktivni način razmišljanja. Nekdo naprimer, ko vam nekdo nekaj reče, nekaj zabrusite nazaj, vname se prepir in tako naprej. Naravnajte svoj zjutraj, da kadarkoli se pojavi motnja, da se tega zavedate, da globoko vdihnete in prekinete to verižno reakcijo in namesto tega opazujete.